Hello, bachcho. Let us read the question. And the question says, if a plus b is equals to mod of a is equals to mod of b, then the angle between a and b is. तो हमें यहाँ क्या given है कि mod of a plus b है ना? We can write here. It is given that mod of a plus b is equals to mod of a and is equals to mod of b. ठीक है, तो हमें सबसे पहले जो की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे that will be mod of a plus b will be the resultant of a and b. So we can say mod of a plus b will be equal to root of mod of a square plus mod of b square plus 2 mod of a mod of b into cos थीटा. इसे ही हम रिजल्टेंट भी कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट अस राइट mod of a plus b की वैल्यू रख देते हैं. mod of a square plus mod of b square plus mod of plus 2 mod of a mod of b cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू mod of a की वैल्यू होगी mod of a स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर अगर हम ये mod of a ले लेते हैं सपोज, तो अब स्क्वायर कर दे बोथ साइड का. सो वी विल राइट स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड will be squaring both side. So this will become mod of a square plus mod of b square plus 2 mod of a mod of b cos theta is equals to mod of a square. Root will get cancelled और ये हो जाएगा mod of a square. So now what we can see कि mod of a square and mod of b square will get cancelled. So over here we will get 2 mod of a mod of b cos theta is equals to minus of mod of b square. So over here we can see mod of b will cancel one time of mod of b. So 2 mod of a cos theta is equals to minus times of mod of b. Now we can say cos theta will be equal to minus mod of b by mod of a. लेकिन हमें पता है a and b both are equal. So and 2 will also come over here. So this will become mod of a by mod of a and 2 is also there. So हम देख सकते हैं because both mod of a and mod of b equal. So the final value of this will be cos theta. And now I am writing over here cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. If theta is equals to minus 1 by 2 and cos theta is equals to minus 1 by 2, so theta will be equal to 120 degree. Correct? So answer we can say angle between A and B is 120 degree. And अगर option को देखें, so option D is the correct option. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.